How to change my shipping address on Shein. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your shipping address on Shein. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch your application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're logged in with your specific account and you're in the homepage of Shein application, tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings icon from the top right hand side of the screen. There you will see the option of address book, which is the initial option in this page. Tap on it. Now you can see add a shipping address, which is highlighted in black color. Tap on it. From this page, you can easily add your shipping address. After you've selected the state or province, also the city and post or zip code, you can toggle the switch in the bottom to make it default and then tap on save, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. So that's exactly how you can change your shipping address on Shein. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.